Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Design. So today's video I want to start with like saying to all of you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for your love and support. Without you guys, I will not be here. My channel has grown so much and I am really overwhelmed by all the positive feedbacks and the support that you guys are showing me. So again, I want to say thanks to each and every one of you. So today, before I start, this video is kind of going to be like I'm going to answer some of your questions that you write down in the comment section. So this is one of them. Many of you have asked me, hey, can you show me the piece after it dried? How did it dry? So there are some pieces that I did very recently, and I'm going to show you the dried results. One of them is this one. So you can see that it's dried and all the shimmers you can see from with the reflection of the light, but this one is not. It's just curing, and I am going to resin it. These pieces I usually resin, and also I'm going to show you at the end that this one is not done here. See on the back side I have the frog tape, so I'll peel it off, then I'll put the not a velcro, what is it called, felt kind of fabric on the back, stick it with the spray glue, spray adhesive, and then it'll be ready to go. So this is one of the pieces that you've seen me create. The next one is this one. This one is resined. So I just want to show you the shimmers. Oh my gosh, the pieces that I create, I am telling you, on the picture it doesn't show it justice at all. Look at the shimmers and the glitters. I hope the camera can catch it. But so this one is already resined, but I have to put the backing and prepare this one. This piece also another one. This is also dried and resin, but when the day I was resining, my blowtorch died. So there are a couple of imperfections you can see here. I'm not sure if you can see in the camera, but I have to put another coat of resin here to fix it, and then I'll take care of the frog tape from the back and finish up the back, and it'll be ready to go. So this is another piece. I'm going to show you the next one, which is this one. And again, this one is resined, and I will make sure that the back is done if it gets sold. This is another piece that I did earlier, and this one is curing. It needs to be resined. It turned out really well, and again it needs to be resined. So this is the back. Also, some of you asked me, how do I finish my product? Like, how does it look like on the back side when it's completely finished and ready to go, finished product? So this is my finished product. See, it's resined perfectly and it's so pretty. What happens is when I don't resin them, the colors are very strong, but the moment I resin it, the vibrancy of the colors show up. At the same time, it kind of mellows down the harshness of the very strong colors, so it turns out really pretty. Look at this. I just want to show you the flower petal here. Look at these flower petals and the shines. It's so pretty. Anyway, on the back side, what I do is I take felt and I spray adhesive. I use spray adhesive, and I just glue it to the back side, and it looks really pretty. So when I sell my product, I just glue my business card on the back and it'll be ready to go. So that's how I finish my product. So these are my previous items I wanted to show you, because many of you have asked me again and again to share my finished product or how they dry. So that's why I'm showing you this. And let me clean these up, move it around, then I'll come back again. So the other day I went to Lowe's and I found these tiles, which is Behr sticky, and I'm going to put on them. We'll see how it turns out. So the colors that I'm using today is called Viridian, which is from our Creative Inspiration. Second one is Green Gold, which is this one. The third color that I have, it's a mixture of Shy Rose and Firefly mixed together to get this color. The fourth color that I'm going to use, it's going to be Quinachrome Blue Violet mixed with TLP's Shangria, and this color is to die for. It's so pretty. Okay, so let's start. So one thing I want to show you that I love this piece, but I don't like here. So what I'm gonna do is